This is a brand new 2012 Ram truck. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and an air suspension system. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Louisville's Hyundai Giants, home of the 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty and the largest selection of Hyundais in Kentucky. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoораutogroup.com.